Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to use flash fill in Microsoft Excel. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, what is the purpose of flash fill? Excel looks at the nearby cells when you will apply this flash fill, picks up on any similarities, then it looks to see if that same similarity is in the cell below. If it finds same pattern, it will apply flash fill. For example, I want, there is my data over here, name and point is written over here. I want names in this cell and point in this cell. Okay, so first I will type over here name Abdullah. Okay, and then I will write points over here. What's the point over here? It's 500, so I will just write 500 over here. Now I want to apply this flash fill over here. You need to do what? Just click here, select this all till here, till end. Okay, now flash will apply whatever is written over here, just like that over here. It will check the similarities on the next cell, and then it will apply the flash fill. Okay, now click on data. After selection, click on data, and now in the data tool group, just click on flash fill. Click on it. Automatically fill in values, enter a couple of examples, whatever is written there, just click on it and it will pick what the same similarity it will check, and then it will give you the name. Okay, now the same I have to apply over here. I want points over here. Okay, what I can do, I just write 500 points over here. Now including this cell, I'm going to select till at end. Done. Okay, now I will do what? I just click on data. I'm already in this data tab. In data tool group, just click on flash fill. Click on it. Done. Okay, now in the same way, I have this email pattern over here. Now I want to extract only the names from here. The same pattern over here. Can you see over here? Faisal@hotmail.com, Hira@hotmail, Usman@gmail.com, Abdullah@yahoo.com, Faraz@csn.edu.pk, and so on. Okay, now I want to apply flash fill over here. I just want to extract their first name. Okay, what I can do, I just write here Faisal, because it's written over here Faisal. Okay, now I'm going to select this cell till end, just like that. Now click on data tab in Microsoft Excel. In the data tool groups, just click on flash fill. That's it. Okay, that's how you can apply effectively flash fill in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.